Welcome viewers. In this video we will see the 2's complement method of subtraction. We will see the perform minus 42 minus of minus 13 using 2's complement method. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic 2's complement representation. Minus 42 minus of minus 13. Now we will rewrite this. Minus 42 minus of minus 13 can be written as minus 42. This minus and minus become plus 13. So that can be written as 13 minus 42. We will make the first number as positive and second number will be negative. So by using this 2's complement, we can take the 2's complement of the second number that can be added with the first number. So that is the process. In order to perform subtraction, what we are doing, taking 2's complement of second number and that is added with the first number, right? So the given expression is rewritten, is simplified and rewritten like this, 13 minus 42. So the answer will be negative. By seeing this, we can say that the answer will be negative, right? We will verify whether we are getting the negative answer. So first we will convert this 13. We will take this 13 as a first number, 42 as a second number. First we will convert first number and second number into binary form, right? So the 13 you will convert into binary. 13 is converted binary by dividing by 2, right? So conversion from decimal to binary. So 13 divided by 2, 6 times it goes, the balance is, remainder is 1. 6 divided by 2, it goes 3 times, balance is 0. 3 divided by 2, it goes 1 time, balance will be, remainder will be 1. So that 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1, we will make it as 7 digits, so that 3 zeros are added, 3 zeros 1 1 0 1. Now 13 is converted into decimal number, 13 is converted into binary. Now we will go to 42. 42 divided by 2, it goes 21 times, the balance is 0. 21 divided by 2, it goes 10 times, balance is 1. 10 divided by 2, it goes 5 times, balance is 0. 5 divided by 2, it goes 2 times, balance is 1. 2 divided by 2, it goes 1 time, balance is 0. Write in a reverse order, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Add one more 0 in order to make to 7 digits. Right. Now 13 is converted into binary form, 42 also converted into binary form. Now what we need to do, we need to take the 2's complement of second number that should be added with the first number. That is the process. 2's complement of second number should be added with first number. Now we'll take the 2's complement. Before taking 2's complement, first we'll take the 1's complement. 1's complement of 41, 42. What is 1's complement? This is the normal value 42. Convert 0 into 1 and 1 into zeros. That is the 1's complement. Changing all zeros into 1, all 1's into zeros. So that 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 is nothing but 1. This 0 is converted into 1. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now is converted into, all zeros are converted into 1, 1's are converted into 0. So 1 complemented form. How to get 2's complement? By adding 1. By adding 1 with the 1's complement will give the 2's complement, right? So 1 plus 1 is, sum is 0, the carry will be 1. The carry is generated is 1. So this 1 is written. The remaining values are as it is. So 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. So this is nothing but the 2's complement of the second number. Now we need to add this 2's complement of second number with the first number. So that is given here. So the first number is nothing but 000 1101. Then 2's complement of second number is this one, 1010110. Now we need to add these two values, first number and 2's complement of second number. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 is sum equal to 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is sum equal to 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, sum equal to 0, carry is 1. So this one is written as it is, this one is written as it is. So what we got, 1 1 000 1 1. So the carry is not generated here. If the carry is not generated, what is the value? The carry is not generated means no carry. So the result is negative. The result is the negative, and also in the 2's complemented form. The result is in the 2's complemented form. Again we need to take 2's complement in order to get the original value, right? So first we will take the 1's complement. What is 1's complement? This is the answer we got. Convert all zeros into 1, ones into zeros, so that 0 0 triple 1 double 0, right? So these two ones are converted into 0, these three zeros are converted into ones, these two ones are converted into zeros. So this is a 1's complement. By adding 1 we'll get 2's complement, right? So what is that? 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 is the final value. The final answer what we got is 00 triple 1 0 1. So we'll verify this answer. So the weightage is written 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. So that is 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So this 1 into 1 is 1. This 0. So no need to consider this. And all 3's are available. So 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 4, 28. This one 29. So the answer will be 29. So the 13 minus 42 is 29. Then minus 29. This minus is already we got. No carry is generated. So the answer is negative. Right? We verified the answer also. 13 minus 42 is minus 29. This minus is indicated by no carry, and this 29 is verified here. Right? So by writing the weightage, by converting this binary into decimal, we got the value 29. So we verified the answer also. So in this problem we discuss about the 2's complement method of subtraction, right? The other subtraction method, 2's complement and 1's complement, the separate videos are available. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.